Hello, my lovely students. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to AM Science Academy. And I, Kumal ma'am, is going to solve today question for the ratio and proportion. So here in this question, it is given a certain sum of money has been divided into two parts in the ratio 5:8. Means total amount that is not mention us, but वो जो है 5:8 की रेशियो में है. If the first part is 250, find the total amount. So here one part is already given to us and we need to find out the total amount. तो इस total amount को find out करने के लिए हम solution करेंगे. So let us start and solve the question. So very first, जब हमें टोटल पार्ट पता ही नहीं है, टोटल अमाउंट ही नहीं पता है, सो विल कंसिडर एज एक्स. सो लेट द टोटल अमाउंट, विल राइट हियर, लेट द टोटल अमाउंट बी एक्स. सो हियर वी हैव कंसिडर्ड इट एज एक्स. रेशियोज अभी हमारे पास क्या है, 5 and 8 है. सो हियर द टू रेशियोज आर गिवन. So let us write down the statement for that also. The amount has been divided into, after divided into two parts in the ratio of 5:8. So the ratio which is mentioned, we will write it here. Means एक पार्ट है उसका रेशियो 5 है, सेकेंड वाले का रेशियो 8 है. नाउ विल डू द सम ऑफ बोथ द रेशियोज. जब भी हमें कभी भी इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस दे रखे होते हैं, देन वी हैव टू ऐड द रेशियोज, जिससे हमें टोटल रेशियो मिल जाता है उस पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट का. सो सम ऑफ द टर्म्स of the ratio that is equals to 5 plus 8. So 5 plus 8 is 13. So that will become as 13. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास total ratio 13 आ गया है. उसमें से first ratio का already amount हमारे पास है, that is 250. So here to solve, we'll write here, then first part that is equals to 5 upon 13, because जब भी हम करेंगे रेशियो that is out of 13 first part था, total is 13. So we got 5 by 13 and 5 by 13 का कितना है, that is 250, which is mentioned in the question for us. So here we'll take 5 by 13, but 5 by 13 किसका है, that is for the total x amount. So we'll write here x equals to 250. So total amount का 5 by 13 part, we got the answer as 250. This is in multiplication, so we need to reciprocal. So x equals to 250 and 5 by 13 reciprocal हो जाएगा, तो we'll get as 13 by 5 over here. Now 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s is 25. So we'll write here 5 and 0 remains as it is. So अब हमारे पास क्या बचा है, so x equals to 50 multiplied by 13. So we'll write here the values of it. 0 remains as it is. So we'll write here 0 at the end. 5 3s are 15. 1 will be carried. 5 down. 5 1s are 5 and 6. So 650. We got the solution. So 650 rupees is the total amount. जिसका first part was 250. अब 650 में से अगर हम 250 को माइनस कर देंगे तो हमें सेकेंड पार्ट भी मिल जाएगा, बट इट इज़ नॉट आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन. सो विल राइट 650 that we need to find out the total amount. So here we'll write down the final statement. Hence the total amount, that is rupees 650, and here we have completed the solution for this given question. So I hope you understood the solution, and if you liked my video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon button so all the upcoming notifications you will be getting. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.